right? So previously we have discussed the background of SSB, psychological testing process, and then how to make sentences and everything. Understood, right? Agreed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? आज हम बात करेंगे ग्रुप टास्क की इन जनरल, राइट? कि ग्रुप टास्क क्या है, कैसे है, एंड हाउ शुड वी गो अराउंड इट. ओके,
Yes.
राइट? जब तक कोई यस नहीं बोलेगा मैं आगे नहीं बोलूंगा, ठीक है? सो we can simply say कि we have understood about the psychological testing process and what is being asked from us. We can say this. We have the basic idea of this, right?
Right, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So now today we'll discuss your group task कि क्या है group task, हमसे expectations क्या है, and how should we perform in such a manner that we are able to deliver the best which is expected out of us. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it's already close to night. So story सुनाओ एक.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So according to, there was a very famous German psychologist. I don't remember his name. Next class I will research on it. So what he said, उसने कहा कि आप पहले एक चीज को एज अ होल देखो पूरी, राइट? देन आप उस चीज के पर्टिकुलर पार्ट्स को ऑब्जर्व करो इंडिविजुअली, स्टेप 2 पर. एंड नाउ एट द स्टेप 3 पुट एवरीथिंग बैक अगेन एंड नाउ अगेन ऑब्जर्व इट. ठीक है, 3 स्टेप्स हैं. सो आफ्टर योर थर्ड स्टेप, जो चीजें आपको इंडिविजुअली ज्यादा प्लीजिंग लगी थी वो आपको ग्रुप में जाने के बाद भी ज्यादा प्लीजिंग लगेंगी. आया थोड़ा कुछ समझ?
सर
Yes,
एक बार
sir.
वापस रिपीट करो ना सर एक बार.
ठीक है. अब मैं ये तो थी बेसिक थ्योरी, अब बता दो एग्जांपल से, उससे सब समझ आएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल ही सेड, यू नो banyan ट्री, बरगद का पेड़,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
right? So according to him, he said, first observe the banyan tree as a whole. You will see leaves, trunk, twigs, branches, and some roots dropping off, right? This will be a basic observation. Good.
Yes, sir.
So first you observe it as a whole from a distance. Then go close to it, observe it, roots, one at a time, then leaves, just only leaves, then trunk only, then twigs only, then branches only, right? Then observe things individually. Step 2 done. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Step 3 is now put everything again back and go at a distance, then again stare at the tree. तो जो चीज आपको ज्यादा प्लीजिंग लगी थी, सपोज यू लाइक द लीव्स और यू न्यू मोर अबाउट द ट्रंक एंड दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, द थिंग्स which looked much pleasing to you, right, individually, will outshine others in the group. Means when you will see the whole thing in a group, you'll love the individual thing, and or your focus will be attracted towards those individual things, right?
Right.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now we'll discuss it with reference to group task. So now what your group task is, understand. Initially you are performing as a group. Group discussions 1 and 2, group planning exercise, and progressive group task. Assessor is observing you from a distance as a group. Understood? Step 1 done. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
all of you will be either bifurcated in small groups or you'll perform individually. What? Half group task, lecture at individual, individual obstacles, command task, right? These 4 activities you or right, these 4 activities you will do individually, kind of individually. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now the
Yes,
assessor
sir.
is observing you individually, one by one. He is like noting each and everything about you, positives and negatives. Good. Now, again, step 3 is again put everything back and observe from a distance. Then comes your snake race. And if not snake race, then final group task. Understood? Everything again as a whole, and he is observing you guys in a final group task. आया समझ? पहले ग्रुप में ऑब्जर्व करो, फिर इंडिविजुअली ऑब्जर्व करो और फिर से एक बार ग्रुप में ऑब्जर्व करो, सो दैट जो आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं वो सही हो. जो आपका ट्रू लीडर है ग्रुप में से, जिसे आपने लाइक एज अ असेसर जिसे आपने मार्क करा है, ही विल कम आउट डायरेक्टली टू यू गाइस. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब सेंस समझ आया? आर यू गाइस एबल टू नाउ रिलेट कि पहले एज अ ग्रुप थे, फिर इंडिविजुअल हो गए, फिर ग्रुप हो गए, राइट?
Yes, sir.
आई गेस अब
Yes,
काफी
sir.
सारी चीजें इजी हो जाएंगी नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए, राइट? कि व्हाई इज दिस हैपनिंग,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
right? Now we'll talk about the bit of assessment part, not in details, but bit of assessment part. So in group task, like you are a group of 8 or 10 people, right? इतने का ही group होता है. Those all of you who perform, right? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So जो लोग group discussion 1, 2, group planning exercise and progressive group task में relatively अच्छा perform करते हैं, like you are active in giving the points, or in PGT you are leading a group. Understood? So obviously you come in a limelight of the assessor. He sees a potential leader in you guys, and those who are passive, not engaging, they are audience. So potential leaders and audience. So right after your progressive group task, जैसे ही आपका progressive group task खत्म होता है, you are divided into 2 subsections, right? Officer won't tell you, and even in half group task वो इस basis पे divide नहीं करता. Half group task में भी everything is same, just in his notebook he divides you like potential candidates or passive candidates. After this, after progressive group task, no candidate will fall from potential to passive, and no candidate will fall from passive to potential. So performing in initial 4 tasks is very important. Understood?
Sir,
So-
initial 4 tasks मतलब sir group discussion वगैरह sir.
Group
Like
discussion
group
1, 2,
discussion.
group planning exercise and progressive group task.
Okay sir, समझ गया.
So
These
performing
are
in
the
these 4
deciding
tasks
factors.
is really important कि आप पोटेंशियल वाले केस में हो. पोटेंशियल में जाके देखेंगे कि whether you are a high potential or a low potential, that's a secondary thing. But पहला एम है पोटेंशियल में आना, right? If you are on a passive, then whether you perform amazing in lecturate or command task, it doesn't matter. Understood?
समझ गया sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So after your PGT, you are subdivided like potential and passive. Passive guys will also get 3 minutes of for lecturate, 3 minutes for individual obstacle. Everything will remain same. The only bifurcation is in the assessor's notebook, right? And the second bifurcation that you could feel is during the command task. That you are doing certain task, he will change the colors, or he will increase the difficulty, or the overall difficulty is bit different. Then you can feel that I might be in potential. But if your task is very easy and you complete it and he tells you, okay, very good, now you can go, then it's a direct indication, bhaiya tum passive mein ho. If he is not playing with you during in command task, that it simply means that you were in a passive, right? That it simply means group task officer won't recommend you. But if you have performed good in India in personal interview and psychology, you might get recommended, right? But there is no surety. Understood?
Yes.
सर तो
Yes, sir.
एवरी बोर्ड में सर पहले क्या जीडी
एक मिनट बाद
ये
में
पीजीटी एंड एचजीटी
बाद
होती है
में
सर.
keep your questions for the last, right? So अभी 4 टेस्ट हो गए. Now we are in potential and passive. अगले 4 टेस्ट, half group task, lecturate, individual obstacle, and your command task. Everything will remain same. Assessor will assess you individually. What is positive and negative about you all. Then now his assessment is done in 8 tests. Just to see whether he has assessed you guys right or wrong, he will simply put you guys all back together in a final group task. He will close his notebook because this test is for assessor surety, not for assessment. He will close his book. He will just see that the guy whom I think is a true potential leader, is he leading? क्योंकि अगर वो पोटेंशियल लीडर होगा तो वो स्टार्टिंग से लेके लास्ट तक सेम एनर्जी में रहेगा और कंसिस्टेंटली परफॉर्म करता रहेगा. अंडरस्टूड? सो ही वुड एक्सपेक्ट, एंड जो उसका पोटेंशियल लीडर था, लाइक सपोज 4 सिलेक्ट हुए थे, आउट ऑफ 10 4 आर पोटेंशियल एंड 6 आर पैसिव. सो नीचे वाले तो पैसिव तो डेड है, जो पोटेंशियल है उसमें असेसमेंट में ऊपर नीचे होता है वेदर ही इज हाई पोटेंशियल, लो पोटेंशियल, मिड पोटेंशियल, व्हाटएवर इट इज. सो ही वुड एक्सपेक्ट हिज potential leaders to perform and lead in the final group task and to lead the whole group, right? This is the surety test for the assessor. Understood?
Yes, sir. समझ गया sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Able to understand the whole thing,
Yes, sir.
right? So in coming classes, in detail we will discuss like everything about this, how to talk in GD and progressive group task and group planning exercise, lecture and all that we'll discuss in detail. But I just want you guys to know whether you have understood the gist of the group task, on what pillars it is standing.
Yes, sir. The first 4
Yes, sir.
tasks के ऊपर sir.
So now you guys must have understood, and now you can go back and see, okay, whether I was potential or not. But still you are not having a clear idea, right? So maybe after coming classes you'll get an idea around it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. Now ask your questions.
Sir, like मेरा पिछला एसएसबी सर विशाखापट्टनम बोर्ड में था, और उस टाइम पे सर कमांड टास्क, हाँ सर विशाखापट्टनम बोर्ड. तो सर उस टाइम पे मेरे साथ सर ये कमांड टास्क में ही हुआ था कि लाइक पोटेंशियली कलर्स चेंज किए गए थे, कुछ ऐसे किया गया था सर. लाइक वो वाला चीज हुआ था मेरे में कमांड टास्क में. बट सर मैंने और भी ऑब्जर्व किया था कि जो दूसरे ग्रुप वाले हैं उनमें वो चीज थोड़ी ज्यादा देर चली, उनके जो एसेसर्स थे उनमें ज्यादा देर चली सर. तो सर मतलब इसका मीनिंग क्या है सर? मतलब उस हिसाब से लाइक हम डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं कि हम लाइक
नहीं,
पोटेंशियल या लो
first is never assess your performance. You go there, enjoy and perform. That's the best thing you can do. If like your parallel group उसमें ये चीज ज्यादा हुई तो it simply means कि उनके उस ग्रुप में पोटेंशियल कैंडिडेट ज्यादा थे. That's it. उस ग्रुप में पोटेंशियल जो स्टूडेंट्स थे, पोटेंशियल लीडर्स थे, वो ज्यादा थे. एंड सिमिलरली आई बिलीव उस ग्रुप से ज्यादा रिकमेंडेशन भी हुए होंगे एज कम्पेयर टू योर ग्रुप.
सर मतलब उस ग्रुप सर हमारे पूरे बैच से जितने लोग 20 लोग थे सर, उनमें से only एक ही हुआ था और वो उस ग्रुप का ही था.
हाँ तो सी यू आई लाइक मुझे पता भी नहीं था एंड आई सिंपली टोल्ड यू. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज. उस ग्रुप में पोटेंशियल ज्यादा पोटेंशियल लीडर रहे होंगे, एंड एक लड़का ऐसा था जिसने साइट में भी ठीक परफॉर्म करा था एंड इंटरव्यू में भी ठीक परफॉर्म करा था. दैट्स व्हाई ही गॉट रिकमेंडेड. इन माय बैच वी वर 22, राइट? अराउंड 300 वर कॉल्ड, 110 reported, 22 screened in, and I was the only one who got recommended. Right? So these kind of things happen. Like in my group as well, there were 1 or 2 chaps जिनका command task काफी अलग था, but I knew my command task was very different. It like you guys must have received fatta, balli and rope and these kind of things to cross. I remember I got only a triangle A of like iron A shape triangle and 2 planks. That's it. And in addition to that, colors were changed and everything. Right? So these kind of things happen. So from that, I knew that I am very high potential in this GTO. All I have to in group task, obstacle, these kind of things, and my interview went like decent. All I had to do was to perform good in the psych, as I had already performed as in as I had already prepared beforehand a lot of things. Like I told you guys how to make sentences. So I used to make sentences of that kind in a randomness directly. I trained myself that much. I knew action sentences and belief sentences, those kind of things, right? That's how things went. So you have to train for few things beforehand. Self-description, you know what questions will be there. But have you guys prepared? No, I also know. And you won't prepare till your SSB comes. In train or maybe in flight, you'll see it. I should read a book. Right? You cannot prepare and fight a war at the same time. Understood? Any other question? No questions. And one thing more, एक और चीज है कि SSB is not like कि 10 घंटे की क्लास करोगे तभी होगा. SSB is a test of personality. Understand the gist of it. Understand the basic understanding, right? Ki where to work and how to work around it. If you have that kind of understanding, then it's totally your pace. More questions, more sentences you make, more story you write, the better is your chance of getting recommended. It's a linear, relation. And
Sir, if a
as I
person
can see,
didn't
you guys,
perform well,
right? What?
sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if a person doesn't perform well in GD or in lecture, is it the possible of getting recommendation from GTO?
No.
Like,
Lecturate तो
performed
picture में
well
नहीं
in-
आया ना. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. शुरुआत के 4 टेस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसमें परफॉर्म नहीं करा, लेक्चरेट में 4 मिनट बोल दो. डज इट मेक सेंस? नो. व्हेन यू आर अ पैसिव, you will remain passive. So it's better to perform in group discussion 1, 2 and group planning exercise, and along with that your progressive group task.
सर बट NSB कोलकाता में ना सर, फर्स्ट जो डे GTO डे 1 था ना सर, हमें पहले GD हुआ था, लेक्चरेट हुआ था सर, फिर GD हुई थी, उसके बाद GP के बाद सर PGT HGT हुई थी सर. तो साथ में ही जो ये लेक्चरेट वगैरह GD वगैरह था सर, साथ में ही हुआ था, मतलब फर्स्ट डे में हुआ था
सबसे पहले क्या हुआ था?
सर. GD हुआ था.
हाँ, तो GD हुआ ना सबसे पहले बाइफरकेशन के लिए, फिर ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज हुई.
यस सर.
हाँ, तो पहले डिस्कशंस हुए ना, पहले देखा गया कि बंदा बोल तो पा रहा है. इफ ही इज एबल टू स्पीक, यस ही इज अ पोटेंशियल ट्रू लीडर. ठीक है, उसके बाद देखते हैं. नाउ लेट हिम परफॉर्म इंडिविजुअली, हाउ ही परफॉर्म्स, विल सी. पहले तो ग्रुप एक्सरसाइजेस हुई ना, पहले तो एज अ होल देखा गया, फिर इंडिविजुअली पिक करा गया, एंड फिर एज अ होल देखा गया. राइट? एग्रीड?
Yes, sir.
Any other question? And make stories. When I am, assessing your that you guys are making good progress, write stories. Then only you will get to know how to make action sentences, or where you guys are lacking. Then only we can work around that. Right? Don't take things for granted. Right? As you guys are growing, more than money, time will be valuable to you. So if someone is giving you guys time and guidance, so it becomes the wholly responsibility of yours. If you would have paid for something, then it would have been a responsibility on me to, be there every time. But now it is a responsibility on you. And now, when in your preparation, you guys lack responsibility, it is directly correlated to sense of responsibility. Right? Which is obviously an officer-like quality. Have you guys read officer-like qualities? What are they?
Yes, sir.
So, sense of responsibility you lack. Suppose now, what will you do? It's a core quality. It cannot be trained. Whether you are a responsible student or you're not. That's a simple thing. Whether you are cooperative by heart or you're not. Right? Understood? Whether you are lively or not. Cheerful you can be, but whether you're lively or not, it's a core quality. Out of 15 qualities that you possess, 6 qualities are core qualities. which cannot be trained. Other 9 qualities can be trained. Like they expect at certain level, if you have that, they can train it. But 6 qualities cannot be trained. Right? To perform good, make effort. Right? Any
Yes,
other
sir.
questions? Any other questions? Anything?
No, sir.
Okay, so today is Friday. Saturday, Sunday, I'll convey, like for tomorrow's class, I'll convey. But we'll see, have a off on Sunday for sure. Tomorrow class I'll see, and then we can, plan it out on the group. Agreed? So it was nice
sir.
interacting with you guys. I hope you guys must have learned something, implement it, think through it, and write on group your responses and everything. Good.
Yes, sir. सर
Yes,
हमें
sir.
लाइक सर आगे सर वो भी सीखना है सर कि ग्रुप डिस्कशंस में कैसे पॉइंट टैकल करना है या
हाँ,
फिर कैसे
वो
अपना
करेंगे ना.
प्रेजेंस
अब वो लाइक क्या कर रहा था फर्स्ट डे साइक में सीखा, नेक्स्ट वाले में पहले दिन साइक समझा, नेक्स्ट वाले में सीखा कि परफॉर्म कैसे करें. अंडरस्टूड?
यस सर
आज ग्रुप टास्क सीखा,
यस सर
अब नेक्स्ट वाले में सीखेंगे परफॉर्म कैसे करें.
समझ गए
Understood? That's how we do. Okay. Thank you.
थैंक यू
Yes, sir.
सर
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.